can't really see the sign because there's people blocking our sign, so this is the best we got for right now. Anyways, we're gonna do some First Amendment auditing, see if they respect our right to record. So let's get right into this video.
I can't hear you, it's so loud.
I don't think you're supposed to be recording around here. You're not supposed to be recording around here?
What? What?
I'm sure you can hear me.
What?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I said you're not supposed to be recording around here, I believe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's government property. You can't be doing that.
Why is that?
That was fast.
It didn't take long. We barely got our intro done. He's watering his weeds. You should mow it. Hey, you shouldn't mow that lawn.
Hey, should we go on this side? Should we just walk away? So he freaks out.
That lawn needs to be mowed. It is definitely not squared away, soldier. That yard. It's like I'm gonna water these weeds.
Excuse me? What are you doing?
What?
What's that?
What are you doing?
What?
We're recording.
Why?
Because we like it. It's very interesting.
We're journalists.
Yeah, we're journalists. We're journalists.
You're not supposed to be recording around here.
Why's that?
I thought we were allowed to.
I think we're allowed to, though. It's not really a military base. We're in the middle of Stockton. It's not a real military base. These guys are sitting around eating sandwiches.
Hey, is this a National Guard facility?
In the middle of Stockton.
Yes, it's an aviation facility.
Hello,
Do you know
Mr.
that taking
Purtle?
unauthorized photograph
Purtle?
or camera of this facility is in violation of federal law.
Which one is that? Which law is
It's
that?
the National Defense Act of 1950.
don't
Now, I
think
can
so.
call the FBI and have you arrested right now. Do you want me to do that? 'Cause
Would you
I'm-
mind? Would you mind doing that
I
for
will
me?
do that.
Thank you, brother.
You should turn off your cameras right now because this is
But
a
then,
violation of federal law.
I know, but then the
You
FBI won't have any evidence.
cannot film or
How
photograph
long do you think it
aviation
takes the FBI to
facilities.
get here?
Look up the National Defense Act of 1950.
That's a long time ago. They're in the middle of Stockton. You're eating sandwiches. You're good to go.
Look at this. Photograph that and read it.
Okay, what's it say?
Can you read English? Read it.
It doesn't say photograph, though.
Photographing.
It says all persons entering. I'm not entering.
Look, I'm gonna go call the FBI.
Isn't
right
this
now.
a public space?
Hey, can you tell the FBI to come out here and hurry up? Tell them to hurry up.
You know, I'll call the sheriff soon. They're gonna get here quicker.
No, don't call them. They shoot people in the back 7 times. What if that happens?
We're not black, remember? It's gonna hurt.
Right? Very true.
He said it's gonna hurt.
I'm filming the trucks for an article I'm doing. Well, what? I don't want to disclose that right now. It's a secret. Why's that? Why didn't you build a better gate? It's a fence. Can you come here? Hey, you're blocking the road. Okay. Whose road? This is county road. You don't have a front license plate. I'm going to report you. Can you get his license plate? Go that way. Go run and get it.
240 XML. Arkansas. The fuck you doing here in California, sir? He's a Arkansas boy. Huh? He's Arkansas.
He's Arkansas?
Yep.
What's your rank? What rank are you?
Are you new?
Are you a private? Oh look.
We got our own helicopter. I knew it. We got our own private helicopter. I know. How many helicopters gotta chase us?
We're not scared. We get chased by helicopters all the time, dude. It's like an everyday thing with us. Hi. Why do you want to know? Who said that? So you don't know what law you're enforcing? You know it's legal. You know, Google Earth flies over here. It's a bunch of garbage in a field, and they're acting like it's top secret.
So you guys are just filming just because?
Yeah, the Google Earth flies over this, and we're not going on their property, but they're all butthurt. We don't show ID.
Have we committed a crime?
Yeah, what crime have we? Are we being
Are
detained?
we being detained?
You guys are being detained.
What? We're being detained?
For what crime?
For what crime?
Because we're having them call us for...
But
Wait, so
what's
they
the
call you
suspicion of the
guys,
crime?
and now you guys have to...
What's California law?
Does not mean that you are.
So is
No,
it
but what's,
consensual?
do you know California law?
I have the right to investigate.
No, but do you know California law? You have to be committed a crime or being suspected of committing a crime. What is the two that we
I'm
did?
still trying to investigate that.
So you are detaining me before you even know if there's a crime.
I'm investigating.
So what crime have we committed if you're going to detain us?
Yeah, what crime?
Or what crime are you suspecting us of?
I'm just asking here questions. You guys are free to
So
record.
this is consensual?
Well, we're not asking if we can record. We know
Yeah,
we're free to record.
this is penal
That's
code
what we're trying to
128.
tell them.